Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm doing another Let's Play. I think this is gonna be shit. I don't even know because we have so many. Okay, so this is gonna be part 6. So for this video, I decided to do more of a natural look. Looking back on the looks that I created before, they're very out there, you know, they're more fashion, runway style type of looks, you know, a little bit more artsy. So today I wanted to bring it back to earth and we're gonna do like a wearable look with the Pat McGrath Mothership V palette. I like to say Mothership V because it's V for Victor. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow base as usual. And I'm using NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. And the nice thing about this palette compared to the other palettes, every single shade you could potentially use for an everyday look. You know, like if you're working or if you just want something subtle that's not too distracting. Sometimes you just don't want to make a statement, but I'm different. I like coming in and making a statement and being like, hey, making an entrance, you know? But today we're not about that. Today we are about keeping it on the down low. So I'm gonna use my disgusting Bobbi Brown brush. And I'm gonna use SKINSHOW Divine Glow, which is the lightest color. And I'm just gonna apply it all over the lid. This gives a very light shimmer to the lid, but it will also help to blend the colors together once we lay down the browns and stuff. So next I'm gonna use a very small amount of Guilty Pleasure, and I'm just gonna apply it on the inner part of the crease, and I'm gonna work it on the entire crease just to lightly define it. This has a very small amount of shimmer. Okay, and with that same shade I'm gonna bring it down the nose to kind of like blend it to my nose contour very softly. Then I'm gonna use the same shade and I'm just gonna wing out the shape very lightly. And if you work in a very conservative place and you're not allowed to use a lot, this is enough. Like, you can probably do this little mascara and get away with it. But for those of you that like breaking the law a little bit and like to be a little rebellious at work, we're gonna go on with Entrapment and really define that crease. There you go, and we can actually keep building that color. One of the things I love about these shadows from Pat, they're so buttery and so smooth that you kind of feel addicted to applying them on your eye once it's on, you know, once you're working them in the eye. There you go, so you can see it's nicely defined. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna use a smaller brush and apply it on the bottom and connect it in the V. So this is gonna make it a little bit more dramatic, but if you can wear this at work, you know, it's still a very professional look. It just gives it a little bit more color around the eyes. Sometimes when you're at work, you will be challenged by somebody that's like your coworker, not really necessarily your boss, and they'll be like, you're wearing way too much makeup for work. If you feel like that is not an honest assessment of your makeup at work, just tell them, you know what, I see your jealousy and I'm unbothered. Perfect. Now I'm gonna use another brush to blend it all together. There you go. Now I'm gonna make it a little bit more smoky around the lash line, and I'm gonna use Entrapment. And this is a good way to kind of emphasize the eyes and make them stand out a little bit. You know, if you feel like you need that extra boost to the eyes. I'm gonna use this pencil brush from MAC. And you can see this helps to lift the eye a little bit. And I'm mixing Disobedient and Entrapment. And I'm gonna wing it out in just a very small amount. I'm just gonna use a little bit of Magical Way concealer from Charlotte to clean it up on these areas to make it more symmetrical. Okay, and that's it. So this is perfect for like every day. If you can wear it this dramatic, you totally can. If you can't, just use Entrapment. Don't even bother touching Disobedient and you'll be good. It just really enhances the eye, gives you some brown smoke, very wearable, mainly like shimmery in the middle of the lid. You can see I left it open, so we just had that base shadow from it. And if you have the palette, you can always bring it with you. And then you can do a nighttime look just by applying the glitter on top. So you can apply any glitter that you want to. I'm gonna show you really quickly like how I would apply it on the go. And yeah, and then I'll put some mascara on. So I'm gonna do Rose Gold 005 and I'm just gonna apply it with my finger. And you can see that it instantly makes it more of a nighttime look. No brushes needed. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop some lashes, put some mascara, and then we'll close out the video. Okay guys, so this is the look. So I applied a little bit of a nude waterline eyeliner and some lashes, mascara, and that's it. So let me zoom out, I'll give you some final thoughts. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a very easy look to wear. You know, you can wear it anywhere. In photos, it looks very natural as well. And like I mentioned, if you do have the palette with you, you can just add a little bit of glitter to turn into a nighttime look. If you like this video and you want to see more like alternative looks for this palette that are natural, give me a like and then I'll make another one that's a little bit more wearable. Alright, I'll end the video here. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell button, like and share the video. I'll see you on the next one.